My name is Joshua Stoddard, and I've been a musician my whole life, 37 years old, and sound has always been a healing part of my experience. I got into sound healing from an experience that I had at a place called the Integratron in Joshua Tree. It was a very moving experience for me and was very beneficial for the healing part of my life. The instruments that I love to use are the quartz crystal sound bowls, the Shruti box, which is basically a harmonium that just drones, my acoustic guitar, electric guitar, chimes, and most importantly, voice. I think the voice is the most powerful sound healing tool that we have because you can put intention behind it. What I've found about sound healing, that in the most simple form of even just the practice of humming, is a very calming and grounding practice for me. I love taking the sounds that I make around to different cities because there's always so many different beautiful communities and culture out there to experience. I think that sound healing isn't limited to just quartz crystal bowls or gongs. It's whatever vibrationally resonates with you. The number one reason that I do this is I hope to share some peace and calm with people through the sounds. Because sound healing isn't just for sound healers. Sound healing is for everybody. And it's really just about cultivating a practice of using your voice and using that inner self-expression, releasing whatever is vibrationally stuck on the inside, letting it out through sound. And it's not about performance, it's just about just releasing that energy.